So for the chicken nuggets, I cut up pieces of chicken and I put them into a bowl. Then I added a half cup of pickle juice, an egg, and a half cup of flour. Then I added 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of celery salt, and some paprika. Then I put the chicken in the frying pan and I fried it with peanut oil. This was a 7 out of 10 on tasting like the Chick-Fil-A nuggets. For the cookies and cream milkshake, I use cookies and cream ice cream, but you can just use vanilla, and I use mini Oreos. I put a scoop of ice cream into the blender and then I added the mini Oreos, and then I added milk, but I added too much. This was a 5 out of 10 on tasting like the Chick-fil-A one, but it was my fault for adding too much milk. So for the grilled chicken nuggets, I cut up chicken and I put them into a bowl. Then I added 1/4 cup of pickle juice, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, some celery salt, some garlic powder, and then I put them on the grill for around 5 minutes. This was pretty much like the recipe. This was like an 8 out of 10 on tasting like the Chick-fil-A grilled nuggets. That is the end of my video, so goodbye!